Hey, BOOZHOO! Welcome to BOOZHOO Nana BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. My name is Nana BOOZHOO, and today we've got a very special Ojibwe phrase. Um, what are we gonna say? Oh, how about this? Nimbakade, I'm hungry. So I'm gonna go down to the country kitchen, because look at this. I've got a country kitchen gift card. Santa was good to me this year. Oh, let's face it, I was good to Santa, so he gave me a present. Nah. I got a gift card to Country Kitchen. I'm gonna go have some breakfast down there. I think I'll have the steak and eggs, 'cause nimbakade, I'm hungry. Nimbakade, I'm hungry. I'm gonna go eat. But you know, it's also Gisana. It's cold. Gisana, it's cold, and I gotta walk down there, 'cause my truck's all froze up. All right, nimbakade, I'm hungry, but Gisana, it's cold. So I have to walk. I'm gonna bundle up, put on my scarf. And that's one thing too. You know, every time I put on a scarf, people tease me. I live in Bemidji, for crying out loud. Why is it? I just don't get it. Anyway, so yeah, maybe it's because I wear my scarf like I'm one of the Three Musketeers. I whip it over my shoulder. Yeah. All right. Well, hey, you've been watching BOOZHOO Nana BOOZHOO, a podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. And today's phrase, nimbakade, I'm hungry, so I'm gonna go eat. It's time to eat. Wisaninda, let's eat. Nimbakade, I'm hungry. All right, I will see you again. Igawaba min, minawa, ho. Nah, let's see, what should I play? How about this? I can feel it coming in the air tonight. Oh Lord, I've been waiting for this moment for all my life. Oh Lord, can you feel it coming in the air tonight? Oh Lord, oh Lord. Eh, I started out with Phil Collins. I ended